on, boaters. We got a boat that you're going to want to see. 2022 Premier 250 Intrigue. This is loaded out with all the options that the Intrigue models have. I want to show you something that they don't really make them quite like they used to, and I want to talk about this changing booth with the built-in porta potty already in it. This is really nice changing area, or if you're on the lake, don't have a lot of restrooms or anything, you got the porta potty right there. I also want to show you my favorite feature. You're going to be the host of this boat. You're going to bring the party. You have the vertical lift Yeti cooler in here. Bring it up. Press of a button. You have your drinks right at your fingertips. Big Simrad display. Only 87 hours on here. You have your sink, paper towel holder, table in the back, and of course, more PTX in-floor storage. This is powered by a 300 Verado. Again, super clean boat. Come and see this today at MarineMax Nisswa. It's not going to be lasting too long.